Alright guys, so we're going to get right into this tutorial. So I'm starting off with a bare face. I'm going to start off with my brows today, and today I'm taking a powder instead of a liner or a pencil. Powders tend to be much lighter. They won't come out as harsh as if you were going to use a gel or a pencil. So I'm using my Smashbox eyeshadow palette, I believe, and I'm taking that deep brown shade to just fill in any parts of my brows that need to be filled in. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, and I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is a concealer that is my perfect match, so this is going to be a natural look, obviously. So what I'm going to be doing is concealing my brows. So I'm using a concealer that is my perfect shade just to clean up the brows. And I'm only going to be cleaning up the bottom portion of my brows. And what I like to do is just drag that product down because I am going to be blending it onto my eyelids as well. So now I'm going in with my blending brush, and I'm literally just brushing that product down onto my eyelids. Then I'm going to take my finger just to warm up the product and just further pat it into my skin so that it just has that flawless skin-like finish. Then I'm gonna brush my brows, and that's about it for the brows. I'm not doing much to it. So now I'm gonna move on to my complexion, and today I'm gonna be taking my moisturizer. This is the OLAY Whip. I'm gonna pair it with my NYX Born to Glow foundation. So what I do is I place my moisturizer on the back of my hand, and then I mix it in with my NYX foundation. I'll just add maybe 2 drops to it, and then I'm gonna mix it and just apply it as if I'm going to apply my moisturizer. So as you can see, I'm just swirling it into my skin as if it's just like a regular tinted moisturizer. And it does give a nice coverage. So this is it after I applied it to my entire face. So I'm going to go ahead and just brighten up my under eye, and I'm only going to apply this under my eyes. I'm not going to do my nose, my forehead, or anything else, just underneath my eyes. I'm going to take my brush to blend it out. And as you guys could see, I'm blending it onto my lids as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and set it, and I'm taking my Fenty Banana Setting Powder, and I'm just brushing it in the highlighted area. So basically where I just applied that concealer, just to set it in place. And now I'm going in with my face powder. This is a powder that is my perfect match. It's a loose powder by Nude by Nature, and I'm just going to dab that into my skin. And then I'm going to lightly contour today with my LA Girl Pressed Powder. Just contouring my cheekbones today. Don't want to do much. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight, and I'm taking my Fenty highlighter duo, and I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face. So my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I'm going to go in with my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Butterfly Mascara. And y'all know I have no lashes, so I'm kind of struggling here to make them be seen. And then for my lips, I'm just going to line it with my LA Girl lip liner in the shade Chocolate. And I'm going to apply my clear lip gloss. And then to finish the look, I'm just going to add a dot of the Stila liquid lipstick, just add some color to my lips, and that's about it, guys.